How to clean Vulcan TCM series Combi ovens. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. Clean the TCM Combi oven regularly and thoroughly to ensure prolonged service life. It is important to keep critical components clean and watch for any signs of scale buildup. Warning! Under no circumstances should cleaning chemicals be used on surfaces that are over 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The result will be serious discoloration and damage to the surfaces. Warning! A pressure washer should never be used for cleaning the TCM Combi oven. Daily cleaning. On a daily basis, wash all surfaces with soapy water and a neutral or non-abrasive cleaning product. Rinse carefully and wipe the surfaces dry with a clean, soft cloth. Never scrub stainless steel with metal wool, but if necessary, only use a Scotch-Brite type pad or similar product by following the grain of the stainless steel surface. Be sure to wash the door gasket with soft, clean cloth and mild soap and water. Also wash out any food and grease from the grease tray. Clean the inner door and glass door panel with glass cleaning product and a soft cloth. To open the internal glass panel, press gently on the retaining clip to release the glass. Automated cleaning options. The TCM Combi ovens can be cleaned on demand or programmed to automatically run a scheduled service. Scheduled auto cleaning will only activate when no cooking cycle is in progress. The door must be closed and the oven powered on. See the owner's manual on the Vulcan website for detailed instructions for scheduling auto cleaning. Automated cleaning on demand. The oven will cool below 140 degrees Fahrenheit before activating a cleaning cycle. Press the toolbox menu. Either press Start to activate the last cleaning cycle performed, or press Cleaning to select the cleaning level, light, medium, intensive, or ultimate. Note: descaling can be performed alone without washing by selecting the Descaling Only option. Select Descaling Included button if you wish to descale in addition to the wash cycle. Select Dry Integrated button to activate a drying cycle determined by the cleaning level. Press Start. The screen indicates the different phases selected for the cycle, the running time, and the remaining time. When the cleaning cycle has finished, the display may enter a sleep mode or show the toolbox menu. Note: if you notice excessive water deposits, scale buildup, discoloration, or corrosion, it could indicate that increased water filtration is required. Vulcan Tech Support can help determine the best filtration for the water in your area. Replacement of detergent and descaling products. Warning! The draw tubes for detergent and descaling products are marked with labels and colored caps to position the tube in the correct container. Incorrect setup could seriously damage the oven. Warning! The use of certain chemicals may cause significant damage. Chemical products containing nitric acid are strictly prohibited. The descaling product must contain corrosion inhibitors. It must also comply with legal requirements for food contact surfaces. Note: Vulcan recommends use of our VDL and VRL chemicals. Links to download the product safety sheets when handling or using these chemicals are in the description of this video. Using goggles and gloves, open the new container and remove the seal. If adding a new full container for the first time, identify the appropriate draw tube by the label color, green for detergent or red for descaling rinse aid. Insert the tube through the top of the color-coded cap that corresponds to the appropriate container. Slide the metal weight onto the tube and press the plastic plug into the end of the tube. insert the weighted tube into the new full container and tighten the lid. If replacing an existing empty container, unscrew the lid from the empty container and withdraw the tube, including the weight and plug at the end. Insert the weighted tube into the new full container and tighten the lid. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan TCM Series Combi oven. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.